Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the deletion workflow. First, make a quick backup of any photos you want to keep. Once deleted from iCloud, they may be hard to recover. Next, sign into iCloud on the device you'll use and verify iCloud Photos is enabled. Then open the Photos app or iCloud. Com Photos tab and allow everything to sync so you're seeing the current library. Once done, select the earliest items you'll remove and keep selections manageable for the next steps. Now execute the core removal actions. Select photos and albums to delete, but do it in small batches to avoid timeouts. When you delete, those items move to recently deleted and still consume space. Make sure to open that folder and empty it to free iCloud storage. If you plan to stop syncing entirely, go to Settings, name iCloud Photos, and toggle off iCloud Photos after deletions finish. Make sure devices complete a final sync, so deletions propagate across all linked devices and iCloud itself. Finish by verifying iCloud storage reflects the removals. Open iCloud storage or manage storage to confirm reduced usage. If syncing appears stuck, sign out of iCloud on the affected device, restart it, and sign back in to force a refresh. Make sure you gave iCloud time to process large deletions. Sometimes it takes minutes to hours. If something went wrong, restore from your backup or contact Apple support. Remember that recently deleted items can be recovered for a limited time, unless you emptied that folder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.